Hello friends, welcome to PowerPoint Planet. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create beautiful and eye-catching presentation template like this one. So make sure you follow the steps to the end. Okay, we start by selecting all these text we do not want and hit delete on our keyboard. Now it's time to format the background. Right click and choose format background. And you select solid fill and you choose this color. You can adjust the transparency the way you want, but I'm going to leave my transparency at 30 or 25%, and you close. Now it's time to apply the shapes. I'm going to pick this rounded rectangle and I will draw it here. Click on it, hold down the Ctrl key and duplicate by pressing D 3 times to duplicate the shapes. While they are aligned together, you scale this one down like this and take this one we have scaled down and hover it over to this one at the center. Scale it till it matches your requirement. I'm just going to leave mine like that. Okay. Now select the two shapes and you click the Format tab and then you click on Merge Shapes and you select Fragment. Select this part, hit delete, and select this part, hit delete. Now we have created this shape here with the hole inside. Now it's time to add the color on this shape. So we will click on it and go to Shape Fill under the Format tab and choose from More Colors, and we can pick this color and apply to it. Now drag this other shape and position it over the shape like this. Now you notice that it is covering the shape that is behind. Under the Format tab, click Send Backward. The shape has been sent to the back. Now resize it, be smaller and center. You can push it up a bit like that. Good. The next thing will be for us to format the background of that shape. We select it, hit the Format tab and choose white. Now let us add some more effects to it. You right click on this one, go to Format Shape and you select this effect option here. You go to 3D format, choose this one and you choose this one. The first point you put 17.5 and down here you put 10.5. We do the same for the next one. We select it and hover here, choose this and we choose this. Here we will put 17.5 and down here you type in 10.5. One more thing, select this shape, go to the Format tab and click on Shape Outline. Select No Outline. Click the one behind, go to the Format tab, Shape Outline and set it to No Outline. Now our two shapes have been formed. We select it all and drag them down to position them better. Now it's time for us to add some text inside here. So we will pick the text box here, or you can actually go to insert and shapes, and you select the first one here, the text box. I'm just going to go to the home tab and pick it from here. Click on the screen and type in slide 1. Select the text and bold. Change the color of the text to blue color. Add the size. Drag it over to the middle here. The next thing for us to do now, we have our shapes and the slide added, the text. So the next thing for us to do now will be to add the connector. Click on this shape again, position it better like this, so that we'll have more space for the connector. Click your shapes box, and for this purpose I'm going to take this connector. So I'm going to click from here and I will draw and scale it like this. After scaling it, go to format, shape outline, go to the weight, and you select this one, 4.5. Four and a half, like that. From here, the next thing for us to do will be to make sure that this shape has the same color as the white box here. So we click on the shape outline and select white. If you are not satisfied with the way the outline is, you can add the shape outline, but for this example I think it's okay like that. Now the next thing for us to do will be to add another box up here, so we can add some extra text. So select this rectangle and we position it over here or anywhere on the screen like that, and position it very well like that. Now the next thing for us to do will be to format the background. You click on shape fill, you choose no fill, and shape outline, we go to the weight and put 4.5, and the shape will be white. Now the shape has respected the format. We can further pull this down so that it doesn't have to show up like that, and pull this other one down too. Like that. After connecting them, we will need a text to enter here, so we use our text box again. Click anywhere on the screen and we type intro 1. Select the text and bold it, adjust, increase the size, and we need to make sure the sizes are the same. So in this example, since this is a new header, we will need to make sure that the text has its own number to be used. So we select it and position it over here. Put the intro 1. Now we have successfully created our first shape, and in this shape here we will be able to duplicate it many times to form the other shapes as much as possible. So to do that, we will just copy all of this text and press Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate. And notice that when you press it, PowerPoint gives you some guidelines for you to use. So I'm going to leave mine here like that. Now, the moment you press Ctrl duplicate again, PowerPoint is going to automatically adjust that. So we now have all our shapes here at this level. The next thing for us to do now will be to format the backgrounds of these shapes and put in the animations. So this is slide 1. I want this one to be slide 2. This one, slide 3. This one, slide 4. Intro 1. And the second intro. The third. And the fourth. Let's format the different shapes here. The first slide, we have to allow it as it is. Go to the second one, click on the first shape, go to format, shape fill, and you select this color. Click on the background and choose red. The line needs to take that same color, so we click on the line, shape outline, and we choose the red color. And this other shape outline, we choose red. Good. We go to the next, shape fill. For this one, we will take this example, click on the background shape, shape fill, and you choose your favorite color. I'll choose this one, and select the line, shape outline, we choose this color so that it matches the color we have on the screen. Good, just like that. And now we will need to format the last one. Click on it, select shape fill, and in this example I will be using this one. For the background, I will have to select any background of my choice, which in this example I will likely take this background. We take that background and select this and make sure we choose the same background. Select the line. Now that everything is set, let us go ahead and modify this text. This is intro 1. You can allow the text to be black all through, but this one down here we'll have to modify it. Allow this one with the black color, and this one put white, and this other slide you can put the pink color there. Good. Now it's time for us to add the animations. So to add the animations, what we will need to do is we will have to click on this first shape. This is the shape I want it to appear first, and we go to the animation pane or the tab, and we click on, we find the zoom in animation. So we click on zoom. Here we go, it applies like that, and we click the shape I want it to come, will be So in this example, we will take float in like that, and we can adjust the speed. We try, you will see it flows up like that, and select this one, and we select wipe this one, select wipe, and the text box inside we will choose zoom. The next thing you want to do, you see that the animations here have been numbered from 1 to 5. So in order to make sure they play automatically, you are going to select all of this shape, go to the animation pane here, and right click anywhere on it and select start after previous. Now everything here will be changed to 0. If we try to preview this template, this is how it's going to appear, like that. If you choose from here and you say play from here, you will see that's how it's going to come. Now we are going to add a few more animations here. I have to undo these animations because after slide 3 was supposed to be this one. So we select the wave and apply it there. Then this one, wipe, and this one, wipe, and the text inside, zoom. Select zoom. Now once more, select all the shapes now and click on the animation pane and choose after previous. Now if we preview this slide, you'll see how the zoom actually plays away, and so on. Follow that same method to apply for the other slides by using the animation painter. To use the animation painter, click on this shape here, click on animation painter, and you apply it here. Click the next one, the background, animation painter, click there. The animation will be applied automatically. Click the slide, click the animation painter, and hit, just like that. Follow the same process for all the shapes, and when you reach the end, you can be able to export the video. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to pause and then apply the animations. Okay guys, now all the animations have been applied, and if you go over to the animation pane here, you see a list of all the animations I've used in this document, and you can actually preview that from here by clicking play from here. You see how it goes like that, from the first slide to the last slide. This is how you actually create custom animations. I'll click stop. Now it's time to save our work, so click on the computer icon here and you click my PC. For this purpose, I'll take desktop, and on desktop I'll choose animations folder, and I'll first of all save it as presentation 1 inside. Now I'll need to export my animation in the form of a video, so click on file, you go to export and create a video in the backstage view and select presentation quality. Then you can reduce the number of time or the number of seconds on each slide. I'll just allow it to 3, and then I will click on create video. Now they'll tell me where to save. I'll click animations, and inside animations I will select and put the name my animation, and the file format now is MP4, so you click save. Now you can see over here creating video, my animation. You just have to be patient and you wait. After that, your video will be ready. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please kindly subscribe to this channel. I upload new videos every week, so stay tuned.